The Supreme Court decided to take up an issue that has confounded it in the past, and that is the issue of partisan gerrymandering. They took a case from Wisconsin. A federal court said that the plan that was developed by the Republicans in Wisconsin in 2011 went so far as to make the votes of Democratic voters in some districts not equal to Republican votes. And in 2012, the Republicans statewide got only about 48 to 49% of the vote, but they captured more than 60% of the legislative seats in the General Assembly.
Thank you.
Wisconsin.
For
keeping
the
Republican
majority
strong
assembly
so
strong.
We
don't
all
fit
on
this screen.
or this
screen.
We're excited to get to work on it.
The court that looked at this voted 2-1 to say that that partisan gerrymandering went so far as to be unconstitutional. The Supreme Court often looks at maps to see whether or not they've been drawn to hurt minority groups. But it's been reluctant to make those same kind of decisions about partisan gerrymandering, where you have to decide between Republicans and Democrats. If the Supreme Court decides against partisan gerrymandering, right now it will help the Democrats. That's because Republicans control the legislatures in far more states than Democrats do, and thus they're in charge of drawing the maps. The court did provide at least a signal that it's very divided on the issue. After they issued the order saying that they were going to accept this case and hear it on the merits, they agreed with Wisconsin that the state did not have to draw the new districts that had been mandated by this lower court. The split was the 5 most usually conservative justices agreeing with Wisconsin that they didn't have to draw the new boundaries. The 4 liberal justices would not have done that. I think that this is significant because a number of people say that it is unlikely there'll be enough time, no matter what the Supreme Court decides, even if it agrees with the challengers in Wisconsin, to redraw those districts in time for the 2018 elections unless they start now.